Imagine dropping your phone from the top of a 30-story building. No catch nets, no second chances, just sheer gravity and whatever you can scrounge up in an hour to save it. That's exactly what we're about to do here. 4 competitors, 4 wildly different ideas, and 1 question. Which of these so-called hacks will actually work when your phone hits the pavement? Let's find out. Desi's water balloon barrier looks solid at first glance, double-layered with one empty to keep the phone dry. But when it hit the ground, the balloon exploded in a shower of liquid and debris. Cracks spiderwebbed across the screen and back, yet somehow, the phone still...
The question is, can this jelly-like barrier absorb the shock of a 10-story plunge? Let's see if her science lab approach holds water, or splatters all over the ground. Matt's approach isn't about armor, it's about physics. A trampoline, a quick rebound, and the hope that gravity doesn't get the last word. But can 2 bounces really outsmart a 100-foot drop? Let's see if this backyard hack defies the laws of impact, or gets squashed like a bug. Liz's gelatin shield was a mix of science and desperation, a wobbly, jiggly barrier designed to absorb impact. Matt's plan isn't about armor, it's about physics. A trampoline, 2 quick rebounds,